Find the slope of the line passing through the point -4, 6 and the point -1, -2. The slope of a line M is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, where the line passes through the points x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2. So the slope of this line is equal to -2 minus 6 all over -1 minus -4. Simplifying in the numerator and denominator, -2 minus 6 is -8, and -1 minus -4 is -1 plus 4. Simplifying further in the denominator, we have -8 over 3, which is equal to -8 thirds.